So I was on TikTok the other day and I heard somebody said, yeah, man. And I was like, okay, all right. I closed the app. I had to put on my phone and sit down for a while, let it soak in. Because listen, if you're trying to speak Jamaican and nobody has ever corrected you before, that means nobody really love you enough to correct you. But don't worry, that's why I'm here. That's why you saw this video today, because I'm your girl. I got you. I am Nioka and I'm here to teach you the authentic Jamaican phrases and also how to pronounce them, because the pronunciation is very important. Because a lot of you out here are embarrassing yourselves and you don't even know. So guess what? Let's get straight into the video. So the first one on the list, and believe me, this one gets me every time I hear it, and it is yard. Now, a lot of people are out here saying yard, and that is not the correct pronunciation for the word. Yard, when you say yard, you must be talking about your backyard because that is standard English. Now, we're talking about patois, so you have to say it how Jamaicans would say it, which is yard. Y-A-A-D, like drag out the A, yard. You know what I mean? Yard. And what yard means is home. So sometimes us as Jamaicans, like if we live abroad, we would call ourselves a yardie. So like when we say yardie, we basically mean I am Jamaican. I was born and raised in Jamaica. I am a Jamaican. That's basically what yardie means. So like yardie come from the word yard, right? So we're like, we come from yard. I am Jamaican. That's basically what yard mean. But a lot of you guys out here are saying yardie. Like there's no R. I don't know where the R came from. Where did you guys get this R from? Remove that R and let's just stick with yard. All right? So the next word is thing. Thing. All right? I hear this way too many times. Now, if you're gonna say thing, you're talking English, but we're talking about patois. So we're gonna say it the patois way, which is ting. We're taking out the H and we're leaving it with T-I-N-G. Ting. No, what ting means is, ting means something. Ting could mean something. Ting could mean anything. Ting could mean a person, a place, or a thing. So that's what when we say ting, like for example, a guy would have a girl at his house waiting for him, and he'll be like, yo, you know, so me have a one thing down and me other wait for me door. So he's calling the girl a ting. A person might be asking you for money and they say like, yo, beg your little ting no? Beg your little ting no? When you say beg your little ting no, it's basically mean, yo, can you give me some money? So when we say ting in that sense, we basically know what we're talking about. You know what I mean? So that's what ting means. And I don't want to hear you guys saying thing anymore, okay? We're gonna work with the patois because remember, I'm teaching you how to pronounce the words properly. So no more thing. I wanna hear ting. All right? Let me hear you say it.
Thing.
What you say?
Thing?
Say it again.
Ting.
All right. That's what I'm talking about. All right? Let's move on. Mada. Yeah, man. You hear it? Mada. Tell me if that sounds right to you. Tell me if that's how you think I would say it. No, that's not how I would say it because the real word is mada. And what mada means is mother. It means my mother, your mother, everybody's mother. Mother, mada means mother. So if you're gonna say it the Jamaican way or say it in patois, you have to say mada. M-A-D-D-A, not M-O. Because a lot of people are saying mada, like mother, right? But really it's mada, M-A-D, like somebody's mad, mada. You understand? Yeah. Dutty gyal. Yo, even me saying it, it's so funny. The word is dutty gyal. Tell me which one you like better. Do you like dutty gyal or you like dutty gyal? Which one you like better? Yeah, it's dutty gyal. That one sound more authentic, and when your Jamaican friends hear you say it that way, they'll be like, yo, how do you know how to pronounce that word so well? Tell them because you're watching Nioka's World and she's giving you the inside scoop on how to pronounce the words properly. Yes, clock it. But anyway, the word is dutty gyal. Dutty gyal basically mean dirty girl. The word dutty means dirty. The word gyal means girl. So usually when people are arguing, like back in Jamaica, two Jamaicans are cussing them and say, hey, dutty gyal, you take my man, dutty gyal, you know? So yeah, it's basically when people are arguing, it's like, it's not a nice thing to say to somebody, right? But at least now you know how to say it properly. Dutty gyal. Pikney. Pikney. So the correct pronunciation for that word is pikney. It's like you're picking an apple. Pick, P-I-C-K, pikney, pikney, right? It's like you're saying picnic, but you're taking off the C off of the end, and you say pikney. You know what I mean? Like that makes sense? Yeah, pikney. Now, what pikney means is basically children, a child, a child. A picnic is a child. But some people pronounce, some Jamaicans pronounce this word as pikini and some say picnic. It just all depends on where in Jamaica you're from. That's how you're gonna pronounce it. But whether you hear pikini or picnic, it's basically the same. It's the same word, but people just pronounce it different. But you never hear them saying picnic though. You know what I mean? Like, so they're gonna say picnic, and that's how I want you to say it. Let's move on to the next one. Botty. Oh my God. Stop saying botty because the word is not botty. It's batty. B-A, not B-O. So like a bat, baseball bat, bat, batty. But if you're going to say botty, B-O-T, like a robot, B-O-T, it's B-A-T. So stop saying botty and say batty. That's the correct word. What batty is butt, batty is ass, batty is the badonka donk donk donk. Yo, watch a big batty girl there. Yo! Watch a big batty girl there. That girl a batty biggie star. Yo! That's how you use it in a sentence. But I want to hear you guys saying batty and not botty. All right? Me a bad man. No. The word is bad. Just like how you would say it in English. B-A-D is bad. Why are you saying B-O? Why are you saying bad? Like, why are you guys always switching out the A and putting an O? Like, why? No, it's bad. Just like how you would say, oh, you are bad. Bad. Yeah, it's a bad man. Stop saying bad man. Don't say bad man. That don't make no sense. You have to say bad man. If you look at it, bad man is basically English. That's a bad man. That's it. Bad man. Just like how you would say it in English, that's basically how you say it in Patois. But a lot of people, maybe because of the accent, because of our Jamaican accent, it kind of sound like bad man to you, but really it's bad man. Bad man. Me a bad man. You know, me a bad man. Bad man basically mean bad man. The person is bad. The man is bad, you know, a criminal or something like that. So that's how you say it. Me a bad man. She love bad man. She love gangster. A bad man is like a gangster. And please don't say me a bottle up too much, you know, because I really want to hear you guys pronounce the word properly. So that's why I'm giving it to you straight, plain, and simple. All right, let's move on to the next one. Wagwan, 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 wagwan man, wagwan man, wagwan man. I'm trying so much to sound like how you guys sound, but it's not working out. But the word, a lot of people, when I hear like people like my coworkers and other people on the streets or whatever, or even on social media, when I hear you guys say wagwan, it's not, it's like you're rushing the word too much. So instead of saying wagwan, you have to say wah guan. It's like you're dragging out the word a little bit. But when you say wagwan, it's like you're rushing to say it too fast. So if I say wagwan man, like it just don't sound authentic. But if I say wagwan bro, wagwan brother, wagwan virgin, you know, you're wagwan. You have to like drag out the A, because remember it's not W-A alone, it's W-A-A. So you have to pronounce the A's like you're dragging out the A. That's why you have the A twice. Wah. And then the guan, you have Gwaan, guan, you know? So that's why I want you to say it. Wagwan. Wagwan basically means what's up. Hey, what's up? It's a greeting in Jamaica. And basically, if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you already know what wagwan means. Wagwan is just saying hello or greeting somebody. Let's move on to the next one. Fire. Fire. So a lot of people, it's like you guys don't even bother to pronounce the word. You guys just say, you know what, this sounds like fire, and I'm gonna say fire. But really, the right pronunciation is fire. 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 There's no R. There's no R. So remove the R out of it. Fire. You see it? Fire is fire. Like in Jamaica, if you say fire for this or burn a fire upon this, burn a fire upon this is like you're not agreeing to the thing. So fire for this is basically, I don't agree to that. Fire for that, fire for that. Anything we not agree with, anything that I don't agree with, fire for it. That's what fire means. Yeah, we are burn it up. We are burning it up. Burn it down right to the ground. Yeah. Last but not least, we got I was almost gonna say it. I was almost gonna say the correct pronunciation. All right. Last but not least, we got yam. Yam. You guys always say yam. You know what yam is? Yam is a ground provision that we eat. Yellow yam, white yam. That's not what we're talking about. The real pronunciation of this word is nyam. Me I gonna nyam some food right now. Me I go nyam, nyam with a N, N, nyam. You can't forget the N. You can't leave out the N. Nyam, not yam, nyam. Me I go nyam. Nyam means eat. A lot of people in Toronto say yam. I don't know why you say yam because that's not the right patois word. The right word is nyam. All right, so stop saying yam. Like it just don't even make no sense. Are you talking about yams? Like I need to go buy a piece of yellow yam or something? Yeah, and if you're not talking about the yellow yam, just say it the right way. Nyam. All right? And there you have it. 10 Jamaican words that you have been saying wrong this whole time. But don't feel bad because now you know, and now nobody can talk to you. Nobody can tell you nothing. If you're not Jamaican and you try to say these words, drop it in the comment section. I really want to know how you guys did. And if you are Jamaican and you're tired of hearing people butcher some patois words, and if I didn't mention any of those words in my video, leave it in the comment section. Let's have a conversation about it because really this video can easily go into a part 2. Yeah. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to Nioka's world. I post a lot of content like these. I teach you guys how to speak patois, and also we compare Jamaica between Canada because I live in Canada and I'm Jamaican, so you know we have to do a little comparison. If you like this type of content, please remember to subscribe, share this video to a friend or a family member who would find this video entertaining or you know find value in this video. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right, on a big up on yourself. Yeah, bye.